What up? It's the Biz Officer back at it again today, baby. Today we will be making some pepper steak. Hey, so I got some nice sirloin. I got my butcher to cut up right here to start off with. I just had him slice it up for me. So the seasons I'm going to be using here is some teriyaki sauce, some garlic, some baking soda, and some onion powder, and Chinese all-purpose spice. So we're just going to start off and go ahead and let our meat marinate. We're going to go ahead and pour in our dry ingredients first. Okay, then we're just gonna go ahead and just get in there with your hammer hands to clean and mix it all together. And we're gonna let this marinate and get some nice flavor for about 20 minutes, because that baking soda is really gonna make it nice and tender, that tenderness that you're looking for and that you want out of your meat. So we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce while our meat is marinating. So first, I have 1 cup of beef broth. I got one tablespoon of soy sauce. I got some ginger, minced ginger. You can use ground. I got some cornstarch. And I got some sugar to balance out that, that saltiness, to balance it out between. Just remember, if you prefer soy sauce that's less sodium, you may have to add a little salt to it, but I got the regular soy sauce. So you just want to blend this up and get that cornstarch nice with no lumps in it, because you don't want no lumps when you ready to cook this up in there. Alright, now that we have that done, let's go over and check our grease for our veggies. Alright, so my grease is nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and put in my orange peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers. And so we can get them juices to really come out of there, we're going to go ahead and put a dab of salt on top of the peppers. And just let them cook for about a minute or two until then you can add in your onions. So just stay tuned. Alright, now that our peppers are sizzled for 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and throw in our onions on top. Go ahead and let our onions saute for a couple minutes. We'll be back shortly. Now that your veggies got nice and the color you want them brown, we're going to go ahead and take them out. We're going to put our meat in. Meat marinated for 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and put it in and let's listen to that sound that everybody loves to hear. Just listen to it. So now we're going to go ahead and let our meat saute and let it get nice and brown with that nice crust on it like we want. So just stay tuned and be patient for this. So you can get the steak to the doneness that you like, but me and the family, we like to eat it well done. I keep mine slightly a little pink, but they can't. So I'm going to be cooking this meat well done. Just stir it up nice and good so you can get it all evenly cooked. Okay, let's just let it keep cooking. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add in our veggies. Make sure before you pour your sauce in and mix it up. So now we're going to go ahead and let it simmer for about 20 minutes on low. Just go ahead and mix all that together. Just stay tuned. Okay, here's the finished product. As you can see, I added in more peppers. I'm going to be having some white rice with mine. You can have whatever you prefer with yours. You prefer brown rice, yellow rice, your preference. Hey, but thanks for tuning into this video, for checking me out today. Hey, go check out my Instagram at Southern Smoking Boss. drop some comments, hit a couple likes. Hey, and for you new viewers out there, go ahead and push that subscribe button so you become a part of this YouTube family. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.